HDMI high speed with Ethernet. It has the 4K standard for video and audio in it. Amazon Basics. So I upgraded that. So now if I get a PS4 Pro, that HDMI, it can display it in 4K for the 4K resolution if you actually need it. And then whatever. And then here's the Cat 5 extended. So here's my new upgrade on my gaming setup. There's the external drive. It's got Just Cause 3. Here's laptop. It's got the LAN cable in it. I'm gonna test it out the LAN cable, see how it works. But it works good with the Wi-Fi on it. But I just want to try it out with the LAN, and then I'm gonna set it back under the hotspot so it doesn't drag no signal from my gameplay. You know, and there's the nice Just Cause 3 coming up next, man. Gaming setup upgrade.